Them not girls like mine, not girls my kind. Whether down to the minute or up to the time all the time. Sometimes rainfall, sunshine, some boy a joke it, but we a joke right. Not girls like mine, not girls my kind. Whether down to the minute or up.
Yep, people, you don't know it's the voice of the Gryzzly beer. Beer vibes, beer fun, beer thing. Reggae vibes, media, the world media. So that one here it different, my people. That one here got it totally different. You see what I say? Otherwise known as Adidja Palmer, you know what I mean, the teacher, dancehall icon, you know, the artist who inspire and influence enough other young artists right now who do the music, you know. The girl them love him, the world love him, you know what I mean, the Gaza, you know, yeah, the Gaza lad, you know, the world boss. You know, the one and only Vybz Kartel. So, approved, you know what I mean? And this is not hearsay or, you know, I try to get some views and I try to get some likes and them thing there. Adidja Palmer, most popularly known as Vybz Kartel, you know what I mean, is very sick, very, very, very ill. And you know the artist has been incarcerated, you know, over the years for a while, you know, lock up, you know. You know the artists, you know what I mean, me could know artists like Tommy Lee, you know, one of them girl artists there, you see me and say, you know what I mean, Gaza Slim, you see me and say Gaza Kim, you know, the whole Gaza fraternity, you know. Yeah, and you know the artists spit the lyrics them different, you know. Vybz Kartel, world boss. Yeah, so the world boss, very sick. I want to say very sick. It has been confirmed, you know what I mean? The dancehall, you know, entertainer, attorney, you know, make you know, you see me I say, Isat Buchanan, you see me I say, as confirmed, you see me I say the artist, yeah, bad disease, which is an autoimmune disorder. I don't know if nobody know what that is, if you can comment. You see me I say, I make you know what that is. You see me? But them make you know a little bit. You see me? It's a disorder where resulting in the overproduction of thyroid hormones or hypothyroidism. You see me I say, anybody who know what them something they mean, just let me know what I go on. You see me I say, we just relate prior to information or we get, we just share with the community. You see me? So, Mr. Buchanan, you see me I say, a bona fire. Yeah man, pan the man them down at Tower Street at the correctional center down there on a GP, because when I really check it out, the artists need medical attention. And this is something we kind of circulate for a while, because I've been hearing, you know, so the artist sick, the artist have an illness. You know what I mean? At some point, I say, you know, his son express certain level of gratitude. You see me I say prior to the condition I'm father and the state where I'm father in. You see me? So right now, you know what I mean, Mr. Buchanan a bona fire because the artist need medical attention. The artist can't lock up in a cell, in a solitary them way there. You see me I say need to free up so you know him can get the proper medical attention and medical care where need. You know what I mean? So if you haven't subscribed as yet, it would be nice if you hit the subscription, yeah, the RVM bell also, so you can get the latest updates when time we drop them. You see me? Yeah, but right now, Kartel, the teacher, you know what I mean? Yeah, I swear my artist. You know, there's nothing where the team can say right now, you know, than get well, you know what I mean? You know, strong up yourself and, you know, and then GP, you know, them need for, you know, go sit down in them offices and find a way out to sort out the accommodation of the artist. You see me I say, because them can't accommodate him in a solitary, them have to accommodate him, you know, in one of them medical facility there where him can get proper medical care. And if it's a case where them have to monitor the artist while he's in that facility, or them have to have some guard there and them type of something, them feel like that would have been a better approach and a better stance than to have the artist, you know, lock up in the cell and you know what going on with the artist. Because I swear, you know, I swear when you think about it, yeah, hours a night, you know, the artist could have in a pain and want assistance and there's nobody there, you see me and say, what a boy nah do him for do, you see me and say, him there on the next angle on our next side or him drop asleep or, I don't know, you lock up in a cell so, man, them don't really care about you see me and say, or business about you or whatever, pain, you know, you see me? So yeah, my people, are the update that, you know, for our artists, you know. A DJ Palmer, you see me and say, otherwise known as Vybz Kartel, the teacher, the world boss. You see me and say, yeah, my artists get well. So you don't know, yeah. Submit CHOON, yeah, we have the link, we need to link with. You see me and say, promoters, artists, yeah, link where we get to the thing. Out there, Reggae Vibes Media, the world media. Yeah, man, our world. You don't know. Dream Weekends. Yeah. We have the code too. See the code there? Yeah. Yeah. Early bird ticket. Yeah. Remember that 5 days something there, normal, you know.
When them in on them bed a dream and they a dream weekend. Them me at the bus stop I watch me speed past them. Me iron like Zion but a week at them. And some week at them, a peer week at them. Money enough, drinks enough, gal buff up. Lame as you have no gal, just shut up. Party from Monday night till Monday night. Bar run out now, bar restock up. Gal enough like sun rain. With the good brain if you need me to explain that means say you cool him. Go out acting, the gal them no acting. No take up while you can't manage or else you get your back strained. Gal lay enough like sun in a beach. From them say enough gal, you know me have to reach. Have to reach, me have to reach. All when I 10,000 people me tank me now watch no fears. Come me have to touch road every day of me life, we go run the place.